Hello, my name is George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series designed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to talk about basic defaults and setup settings in your GA4 property, and most of that will be contained in the admin menu. These are one-time setups that we have to do, or sometimes periodic setups if we switch agencies. So we were looking at the home page now. Let's go down to the gear icon in the lower left-hand corner. That's where all of our settings are going to be, and we'll go there and begin. And we'll try to move top to bottom as we come through here. We've got account settings. Keep in mind that you have account access management and you have property access management. So you can give users access at either the account level or the property level. If you give at the account level, they will have access to all properties within that account. So you may want to be careful there. If you're unsure, just give them property access. And if you're really unsure, just give them read-only access. That way you make sure no one's accidentally going in and changing your settings and changing your events. And so let's come down here to our data collection menu. We want to make sure, let's click on data collection. We want to make sure that Google Signals is turned on. You can see the switch there. And we also want to make sure that we've turned on the granular data collection, device data collection switch as well. And you can see both of those. Now let's go down a couple menu items. Still in the data collection menu, we're going to come down to data retention. We want to make sure these are both at 14 months. The default is 2 months. We want to change that to 14 for both. And then data display, events. We've got another video on events where we go through and look at the different events. That is part of setup, but we won't cover that. That is in our channel. That's a video in our channel. And now let's go to product links. We want to make sure that Google Ads is connected to GA4. And here we can see our Google Ads account here. We can see that the name of the dealership, the account number, and then the agency is all indicated. And so that data should be flowing and we can report on that. So those are some basic setups, and that should get you started. Thank you for viewing this GA4 training video. If you'd like to learn more about Generations Digital, visit our website, www.generationsdigital.com. If you'd like to dig deeper into GA4 and other automotive digital marketing topics, I've got 3 books on Amazon and 1 on GA4. So just search for my name, George Nenni, on Amazon, and you'll see those books. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to get additional content. But thank you again. George Nenni from Generations Digital signing off.